something special for you.
Alright, hi! Sorry if everything everything is a mess. I'm a mess, my workroom is a mess, this video wasn't planned, so lighting is a mess, I'm not where I normally sit for a video, but it's also because this video really wasn't planned, because I did not think that Bowsette was going to be a thing, but I saw like all the fan art and stuff and I was like, I have everything to do this contest, especially since I'm currently working on a Bowser inspired armor, so I was like, why not do it? So I'm just going to do this contest. Nothing is prepared, so it might suck, but yeah, I'm happy to take you along on this journey and let's see if this is going to be something. So I'm just going to get started. Okay, so because my hair is deciding to go everywhere, I'm just going to put it up in a wig cap. I always get like super annoyed when I watch makeup videos and the people who are doing their makeup do not put up their hair and it just goes everywhere and then the makeup goes into it and whatever. I should get a mirror. Alright, so I'm just going to take out my normal contact lenses and I'm going to put in blue ones, and they're also circle lenses, so they make my eyes bigger. Also, I'm not going to take off my old makeup because I'm only wearing some mascara and eyeliner, and yeah, the eyes are going to be dark anyways. Okay, for the base I'm going to use a liquid foundation in the shade Dead People, and then I'm going to use some baby powder as a face powder because I lost my face powder. Yeah, see you when the base is done. Alright, so like 5 minutes in, my camera died and it's going to take a long time before the battery is charged. So right now I'm filming on my phone and I hope the quality is alright, but this also shows how unprepared I was to make this video. So let's hope I can still film a little bit on my camera, but until then, deal with it. Also, the reason why my light keeps changing. My phone cannot handle how pale I am, so yeah. Right now I'm just going to start with eyeshadow. I am going to take this pink and I'm going to apply it on the outer corners, on like the bottom lash line. Just the eyelid, I am going to take this dark brown and I'm going to mix it with this reddish brown. The eyelid, I'm going to take a matte black and I'm going to apply it on the center of my eyelid, and I'm just going to blend it out, going into like the brown as a transition shade. So to blend it, like around here, I'm going to apply a highlighter. This one, it is a more of a creamy kind of colored highlighter, and I like to apply it with my finger. A little bit of pink on nose. Add a bit on cheeks. Before I'm going to apply liquid eyeliner, I am going to take a black eye pencil and I'm going to line like all around my eyes, and I'm going to try to point it a little bit in the corner. If I cannot do it with this, I'm just going to do that with the liquid eyeliner. Oh, and for the liquid eyeliner, I'm going to create a huge sharp ring. To finish that, I'm going to apply some mascara and after that some fake eyelashes. I'm applying some of my favorite eyelashes. These are like super thick, and that's because I layered 2 pairs of eyelashes. I would love to link it in the description below, but I cannot find them on eBay anymore and I'm really sad because most of them are destroyed and I want new ones. But yeah, by the time I find them again, I will put that in the description below. So before I'm going to put on the wig and everything else, I'm going to change my shirt into something that looks more like what Bowsette is wearing. Okay, so it's just a tank top that I like tucked into my bra. But anyways, she also has like pointy ears, and for that I am going to use my elf ears. They're pretty similar, and I'm going to apply them with some spirit gum. So for the wig, I am going to use this wig I used for my panty cosplay from Penny and Stocking. I also did a peach costest with it, so I think this is suitable for this costest. Okay. And yeah, at last the horns and the crown. The headband will stick out horribly because of course this is meant to be worn with a red wig. Also, like one thing that like annoys me about Bowsette is why not red hair? Like the Boo version has white hair. But anyways. And there we go. So yeah, let's see if my camera has charged, so I have at least some better shots of the finished look. So yeah. Okay, so I also forgot to put on the arm things, but now this is pretty much it. So yeah, I feel surprisingly cute as this. My eyelash is coming off, but yeah, this is kind of cute. It kind of looks like Peach in a Halloween costume or Peach in her emo face. But anyways, yeah, if you like this video and if you want to see more like this, I don't know, don't forget to subscribe if you didn't already do that. If you have another meme thing I should cosplay, let me know and maybe I will do it. Thanks for watching and until next time. Bye guys.
Dear Mario, please come to the castle. I have baked a cake for you. Yours truly, Princess Toadstool. Peach.
XD.